Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you the basic configuration of a MikroTik router. So if you have a MikroTik router and you want to connect it with your ISP router or modem, and then you want to give internet to your local computer and systems, so this is a step-by-step video how you can do that. So first of all, I am going to open my virtual lab. So as you can see, I have a MikroTik router and a Windows PC. Imagine this is your physical and actual real router. So first of all, power on your MikroTik router and then connect an Ethernet cable to your local computer or laptop. You can connect your cable to your MikroTik port 4, port 5 or port 3. It will detect your Windows PC or laptop will detect the MikroTik MAC address, and then you will access your MikroTik router. So I'm going to open my Windows PC. And here I'm going to my internet setting. I'm going to click on control panel. From here click on network and internet, then click on network and sharing center, then click on ethernet, click on properties, click on TCP IPv4, and from here you should check on obtain an IP address automatically. Click on OK, then again OK, and close these windows. Now you need to install a software WinBox. I have already installed it. You can download it very easily from the internet. Just type WinBox download in your browser and you will get a lot of links from where you can download it. Now I'm going to open it. So here I'm going to click on neighbors, click on refresh. So here you can see my Windows PC has detected my MikroTik MAC address. So I'm going to select it and click on connect. You don't need to enter any passwords or username because first time it doesn't require any credentials. So click on connect. So here you can see it says enter your old password. So I don't have any old password. I'm going to set my new password, admin, and again admin. Click on change now. Now this is the interface or the GUI of MikroTik router. From here you can configure your MikroTik settings and all the configuration. When you access your MikroTik router GUI in your WinBox software, then connect a LAN cable from your ISP modem to your MikroTik router. So I am going to connect my ISP router modem cable to MikroTik port 1, which is Ether 1, and click on save. So connect a cable to your Ether 1 port. Let me open the WinBox. So from here I'm going to assign an IP on interface Ether 1. So I'm going to click on IP and then DHCP client, and from here you can see my MikroTik has been automatically got an IP of 192.168.0.110 because by default if you connect a cable to Ether 1 it get an IP from a DHCP server. So I have a DHCP server configured on my home router. When your home router have a DHCP server, when you connect the cable from your ISP router, it will automatically assign the IP to your MikroTik router. If it doesn't assign the IP automatically, let me show you how you can do that. I'm going to delete it. Click on this minus icon, and now my ISP router cable is connect on Ether 1. So I am going to click on this plus, and from here I select ether 1 and click apply. Now it is searching and requesting an IP from the DHCP server, and here you can see get an IP from my home router. The next step is I am going to configure my LAN network. Let me close this window, and I am going to click on IP and addresses. So as you can see, I have an IP address on ether 1. So now let me find the port number on which my local LAN cable is connected. Here as you can see, my local LAN is connected to ether 4. So now from in WinBox I am clicking on plus, and from here I am selecting ether 4 because my cable is connected on this port, and I am going to assign an IP on this port 10.10.10.1/24, and I am going to click on apply. Click OK. So now on my ether 4 port I have an IP. Now let me configure a DHCP server and MikroTik router, so my LAN network devices will get an IP dynamically. Let me click on IP DHCP server, and from here I am going to click on DHCP setup. My LAN network is on ether 4, so I am going to select my ether 4 and click on next. It automatically detect my network IP, and from here it says the DHCP address space, so I'm not editing it, and I'm just simply click on next. And from here my gateway is 10.10.10.1 because on ether 4 I have this IP. So if I show you on the diagram, so ether 4 I have IP. Let me write it 10.10.10.1. so this is the gateway for my local network. So now let's go to WinBox, and from here I'm going to click on next, and addresses to give out. So this is the range of IP addresses which my DHCP clients or my local PC will receive. So from here I am going to change this range. So it says 10.10.10.2, so I am going to erase the 2 and enter 100. So now I am telling my router that you should assign IP to my local PCs from 100 to 254 IP, and click on next. Then the DNS server, and here you can also specify 8.8 or any other DNS server. So in this case I'm not gonna change it, and click on next, and this is the lease time, and again I'm click on next and click OK. Now successfully my DHCP server has configured, and if I go to my this PC, again go to control panel and network and internet, network and sharing center, click on Ethernet and click on properties, click on TCP IPv4, and from here obtain an IP address automatically. It is already selected, and click OK. So my this PC should receive an IP. Click OK and close. So if I click on details, so here you can see my this window PC has received an IP 10.10.254. So if your PC doesn't receive and doesn't get any dynamic IP, You should open your CMD command prompt. So let me open my command prompt. Right click on window button and click on run. From here type CMD, hit enter, and here type a command IP config fig/renew renew and hit enter. So here my PC receive an IP. Now again let me open the WinBox. I'm going to click on WinBox. So here's you can see now I can access my MikroTik router through the gateway IP, which is 10.10.1. So I'm going to click on it and enter my passwords, which is admin, and click on connect. So now let me enable internet for my local computers or for my LAN network. I'm going to click on IP, then click on firewall, and from here click on NAT, and from here click on this plus icon, and from here chain should have source net, and from here click on action. You should select. So if you click on this arrow and click on Masquerade and click on apply and click OK. So if I go to my PC, if I type ping 8.8.8, which is public DNS server, and hit enter. So here you can see I'm successfully pinging the Google server, and if I open my browser and check the internet, and here I'm going to type YouTube. So here you can see I'm browsing the internet, and my local PCs or computer is accessing the internet. So this is the basic configuration of a MikroTik router, how you can access the internet and configure a DHCP server and provide a network to your local PCs. So that's all for today's videos. If you like my video, please do subscribe and like to my video, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask. I will be happy to help you out with any query. If you are configuring any router or firewall, you can contact me if you need any help. So thanks for watching my video. See you next time.